Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. This is the big news, big alert for all Dogecoin holders. Keep watch this video complete, and if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button. Also, like this video for more news and updates videos, my friends. If you subscribe my channel, so absolutely you will never miss any update about cryptocurrencies market if you subscribe my channel, my friends. So let's start the video, my friends, without wasting any time. First of all, we discuss the latest update of the Dogecoin. The currently latest price of Dogecoin is 0.282055 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Dogecoin. Furthermore, if we talk about the price changes of the Dogecoin, so yes, you know, my friends, the latest changes is a good changes. That's a big good news for all Dogecoin holders, and I think that it's celebration time, my friends. It's time to celebrate because the Dogecoin start pumping. Once again, Dogecoin start a huge pumping, and you know what? I hope, as I told you, my friends, in the start of this video, that Dogecoin will take a pump in the June. So now it's time to take a pump. It is just a beginning. The huge pump is coming soon tomorrow. Believe me, my friends, it's just a beginning. You can see the last 1 hour, last 1 day price changes is going positive. So from yesterday, the price of the Dogecoin start moving upward, and still the price is in the pumping mode. Wow, my friends, from this price chart, everything is clear for our Dogecoin holders. Is I told you, my friends, that they will take a huge pump. They will take a big pump in the last of June. So same like that. Today is the last of June, and it is a pumping of Dogecoin. So hope you enjoy this pump. And absolutely, my friends, if the price start pumping, so that's mean that we are going to the moon. Positive 25.87% positive chance to the Dogecoin. My prediction about Dogecoin is going positive, and I believe that this is the beginning. The huge pump is coming soon. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Dogecoin? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe and be a stay tuned for more news and updates video.